10 space-saving wardrobe ideas for small bedrooms. Small bedrooms can feel crowded fast. Smart wardrobe planning saves space and improves comfort. 1. Sliding door. Wardrobes. Doors slide, saving floor space. 2. Floor-to-ceiling wardrobes. Use full wall height for more storage. 3. Corner wardrobe units. Turn unused corners into storage zones. 4. Mirror wardrobe designs. Mirrors make rooms look bigger and brighter. 5. Modular wardrobe systems. Customize shelves, drawers, and hanging space. 6. Wardrobes with built-in study units. Combine work desks with storage. 7. Loft storage extension. Store seasonal items above the wardrobe. 8. Open shelf plus closed storage. Mix open shelves with cabinets for balance. 9. Wall-mounted wardrobes. Floor space looks bigger with wall units. 10. Handleless wardrobes. Simple designs reduce visual clutter. Measure door clearance and prioritize vertical storage. Use mirrors and light colors to open the space visually. Choose wardrobes that fit your lifestyle and room size. Good storage makes your room feel comfortable and functional. Looking for more smart, space-saving ideas? Connect with Woodlab Interiors.